Jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, 3.
We're here in Tyler for the weekend. Always good food when we're here. Let me see. Oh my, look at that. Oh, that's tofu. Well, that's so good.
So it's not like
Having some dinner. Having some dinner.
injury inflammation, and they said you're gonna have to just take over-the-counter Motrin for a period of time. Once you do it, or
Good job. Some soup and rice.
Catch me! Go, 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 go! Daddy, catch me too!
Yeah.
Who's this? Who's here?
Did you already eat? Anong kawayo?
Good morning. It's so cold, guys.
Happy Sabbath! Happy Sabbath, Earth! Happy!
Don't go down, okay? Stay here. It's a little cold. Say hi to the bear. So nice and cold, but it's gloomy outside. It's gloomy outside. Look at my mom's plants. There's so many plants. There's so many snake plants. Wow. It is cold. Wants to play.
Ring, ring, go away! Yeah! High five! High five! Give a hug! Spider web!
Oh my goodness, look at that rain.
I'm in my watershed. Now can we get out?
Come on. Careful, careful. Raining. What do you think of the rain? You see?
So it's raining. We're gonna go back to see our next patient. Okay? Oh, we stuck in a straw forever. Grab it! Grab it!
Grumpy, Grumpy, Grumpy.
Did you hear us?
Yeah, I hear you. Grumpy.
Catch me too! Catch me! Catch me too! Don't catch us! Don't catch So funny.
Whoa! Alan! Whoa! Alan!
Did you hear me?
Yep. Boom, boom.
Did you hear me?
Yeah!
Yes.
I'm But Daddy is purple right now. I can't wear that. And Daddy is purple and I am red. I do this at school. Wait, do you like basketball? Yeah, I like basketball. Do you know the basketball? Is this do you know basketball? Yeah. Do you like that part? Yeah, I like it.
Do the wiggle dance. Do the wiggle
Do you
dance.
know this basketball?
Oh!
Now, Danny, go.
Everybody wash your hands. Everybody wash your hands. To the left.
Good morning, Tyler. Today's Sunday and it's very, well, it was sunny, but now it's cloudy, but it's better than yesterday. Who's coming out? Robin Diaz.
Who's the dinosaur here?
That's blue.
Who's blue?
Because she's wearing blue. I'm eating this. Ouch.
Rocks. Okay, be careful. Hey, look both ways. You're in the street.
Here is the quicksand. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go back there.
Dinosaurs.
Change so leg. The change is what you did.
Okay.
What are you plucking? Flower. Oh, wow. Ouch. Thank you, Robin. Thank you. It's our driver today.
Nothing done.
Let's go, Lula. Yeah. Yay, Robin. Yay. Yay. I know. See, it's cold. See?
Are you sleeping, baby?
Just throw it.
Here, that's okay. Does it like your sister's eyes?